Hi, I would like to show you something about the file signature verification, or we can say FSV, which is a part of a Windows file protection that comes inbuilt in our Windows operating systems. When installing a new software on your computer, system files and device driver files are sometimes overwritten by unassigned or incompatible versions, causing system instability. So this is where this file signature verification comes into the picture. And now let's see how can we implement this file signature verification. For that, go to the run, click cmd and type ver, or you can type sigverif. Hit enter. Now you can see file signature verification. Here it's clearly mentioned that to help to maintain the integrity of your system, critical files have been digitally signed so that any changes to these files can be quickly detected. Now click advance. Here you can overwrite the existing file and append the log files. I will show you in a minute what is log files, what is there inside these log files. Hit enter. Now click start, scanning device drivers. $25.39. Almost halfway. Done. Your files have been scanned and verified as digitally signed. Now to see what other files have been verified, go to advanced, view log. Here you can see all your files have been signed by Microsoft Windows. These are the files. This is it. This log will contain all your files that are been signed, and all the information are processed by this operation or this function, file signature verification. Hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and have a great day.